Are you confused about how to check your backed up photos in Google Photos? This easy guide will show you the correct method to view only cloud stored images using your phone or browser step by step. Step 1. Open the Google Photos applications on your Android or iPhone and sign in with the Google account where your photos are backed up. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then open Google Photos settings and go to Backup. Make sure Backup is turned on. Step 3. Note that inside the mobile app you cannot directly see which photos are backed up or not, so you need to use the web version. Step 4. Exit the app and open Chrome or Safari. In the search bar type photos.google.com to open the Google Photos web version. Step 5. Sign in with the same Google account and click the menu icon to confirm you are using the correct account. Step 6. Now you will see only the photos that are already backed up to your Google Photos cloud storage. Step 7. Photos not uploaded from your device will not appear here. So this is the easiest way to confirm your backup status. Now you can easily confirm your backed up photos in Google Photos and ensure all important memories are safely stored and accessible anytime online.